Do you ever feel awkward at networking events, unsure about how to effectively get your message across?
Do you ever find yourself hesitating, afraid of sounding too salesy or too pushy when approaching prospective clients?
You're not alone. Studies show that 60% of professionals share these same concerns with you, which ultimately impacts your ability to form meaningful professional relationships and close deals.
We understand those challenges. We've been there ourselves firsthand. We've made those same mistakes, struggled through the same things. And we know that the journey of entrepreneurship is not really smooth. But what if we told you that we could make this a lot smoother for you?
We've discovered proven strategies that have helped us network and sell with confidence and also do it effectively and authentically. And we're going to share that with you at our upcoming workshop.
Join us for our upcoming event where we'll engage in interactive discussions and exercises to really help you on three things we're going to focus on. One is to help you overcome discomfort in networking. Two is we want you to be able to communicate your value authentically, but also effectively without sounding pushy. And three, we want to help you make and build authentic relationships that will ultimately lead to business growth.
Join us April 29th at Sip City Market and Bottle Shop. Spots are limited, so make sure to RSVP now. Comment interested if you'd like the information on how to RSVP, and we'll send you a personalized message with all of the details. Bye now.
Bye.